Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make a cute tote bag with 2 front zipper pockets. This bag is perfect for carrying your phone, cash, coins, and other small items. The sewing process is very easy and beginner friendly. So even if you're new to sewing, you can follow along. The tote bag also has a spacious main compartment, making it practical for everyday use. Let's start sewing and make this bag together. Cut 2 pieces of main outer fabric and 2 pieces of lining fabric. Each piece measures 12.5 inches by 9 inches. For the front pocket, cut 2 pieces of outer fabric and 2 pieces of lining fabric, 7.5 inches by 6.25 inches. Cut 2 pieces of lining fabric, 8.25 inches by 7 inches. For the inside pocket, cut 1 piece of outer fabric and 1 piece of lining fabric, 12.5 inches by 6 inches. For the bottom gusset, cut 1 piece of outer fabric and 1 piece of lining fabric, 29 inches by 5 inches. For the bag handles, cut 2 pieces of outer fabric, 14.5 inches by 4 inches. First, let's begin with the front pocket section. Let's start by making the pattern first. Cut the pattern as shown in the video. Now we will attach the zipper, cut this part. Now, attach the zipper tabs to both ends of the zipper, sew them in place, and then add a top stitch for a neat finish. Next, place both zippers onto the front pocket pattern, pin them in position, then sew along the edges. Now, place the lining and the outer pocket with right sides facing. Sew around the pocket and leave a small opening at the top. And now, the front pocket is complete. Next, position both pockets on the front of the main bag, pin them securely, then sew around the edges. Position the bag handles on the bag, pin them in place, then sew securely. The next step is to make the inside pocket. Now cover all the seams around the bag using bias binding for a neat finish. Finally, our tote bag with cute zipper pockets is complete. I hope you enjoyed this sewing project. If you like this video, please subscribe, and keep watching my next tutorials.